Yes, good afternoon, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. So, guys, as you know, this is the last mock test before the real ISRO exam from our side. And today we are going to have some questions from the subjects like production, because yesterday we were having less questions from production. So, today I have kept more questions from production. So, questions are there from production, Tom. Okay, just give me a minute and tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Yes. Fine. So guys, now we are starting the session without wasting the time. Let me share also in the group. Maybe some of the student may not be able to find the session. Okay guys, so we are starting now. We are starting now. Okay guys. So when we are talking about this mock test, this is some detail about me, and this is about the Telegram channel that is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, from where you can get all the PDF of the sessions. Moving to the next. So guys, as we have already told you that from 9th of January, we are going to start the complete marathon series where every day one subject marathon would be done. So be ready for that, and that is the schedule for the marathon for GATE 24 and ESC 24. So you can see guys, every day from 9th to 20th, we are going to have one day, one subject marathon. Moving further, this is about the scholarship test, which is on 7th of January. If you are preparing for GATE 25, then my dear, just by appearing into this test, you can get up to 90% of the scholarship. And also there is a workshop on 10th of January would be taken by Abhinav Negi sir on the topic how to ace GATE 25 in the first attempt. Okay. So moving further guys, this is the very first question in front of you. So let us start with the questions. This is the very first question guys, and this question is saying isotropic materials are those which have the same elastic properties in all direction, stresses induced in all direction. Then we have thermal properties in all direction, electrical and magnetic properties in all direction. What would be the answer for this guys? What would be the answer for this? Tell me guys. Okay, so Rohan is saying the answer is A. Very good Rohan. So just share also this session so that other student can also join. Okay, as this is the last mock test before ISRO real exam. Very good. So Vamshi, Krishna, Amresh, Anush, everybody have given the answer as elastic properties in all direction, which is the correct answer. You know that there is the isotropic material, homogeneous material, homogeneous and isotropic, orthotropic and anisotropic. So isotropic means same elastic properties in all the direction. Very good Akash. Moving to the next question guys. This is from material science. This question is from material science. Very good Dongre. This is from material science. The question says following elements have face-centered cubic structure. So out of these four options, which elements are having FCC? You can tell the answer. This type of question you can expect in GATE also, ISRO also. Today's level of question would be decent. Okay. Dongre is saying B. What about others? What about others? Vamshi is saying A. Very good. What about others? Anush Reddy is, Akash Singh, Sarath is saying A. Very good. So I would like to say answer is A, because you should be aware first of all when we talk about iron. Iron is BCC. So iron is BCC, iron becomes FCC only in the specific range of 910 to 1450, and that range we are calling it as gamma iron. So first of all, let me see why this marker is not working. I feel this is hang, just wait. So when we are talking about iron, iron is said to be allotropic iron because iron shows different behavior at different temperature and pressure. And if a material shows different behavior at different temperature and pressure, we call it as allotropic. So iron is said to be allotropic iron, and you know that from 910 to 1450, it is showing FCC character. Otherwise, it is showing BCC character. Okay. So you can say just. So when we are talking about iron, it is showing BCC as well as FCC structure. So you know gamma iron is FCC and alpha and delta iron are BCC. So first of all, because of gamma iron, you know, and all other materials are also FCC. When you talk about option B, they are HCP materials. And this is about BCC. So that is why answer will be A for this. Moving to the next question, question number 3. So guys, this is also from the material science only. This is saying aluminium has a higher atomic packing factor. So you are having APF. So they are saying APF of aluminium is more than APF of molybdenum. They have said that. Okay, and they have also given the difference is 6%. But what do you mean by that? Yes, actually it is alpha, gamma. Okay, fine. What would be the answer for this? Aluminium is heavier than molybdenum. The ratio of volume of the unit cell to the volume of the atoms per unit cell is lower in aluminium. You know that what is APF? APF is nothing but it is the volume of average number of atoms. Volume of average number of atoms in a unit cell. And then we are having volume of unit cell. So actually this is telling how much part of a unit cell is filled with the atoms. So if they are saying aluminium is having higher APF, so obviously inverse will be less for aluminium. So yes, the second option is saying the same. Ki the inverse of this will be more for molybdenum. Yes, it will be. So answer will be B, not A. Okay. So because heavier doesn't, it does not tell about heaviness or lowerness. Because when we are talking about weight, then atomic weight is also going to come into picture. Na? So they are not talking about weight. It is about how much part of a unit cell is filled with the atoms and how much part of the unit cell will be empty. It is related to that. So Vamshi, the answer will be B, not A. Okay, because it just tell how much part of the unit cell is filled with the atoms. So it is a term related to volume, not related to the weight. Okay, I feel everybody understood this. So we are moving to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is from heat treatment. You got it, Vamshi? So this is question number 4. This is from heat treatment. Which of the following hardening process is not generally used for steels? These are the 4 operations given. You know that nitriding, A option is nitriding, cyaniding, age hardening and induction hardening. What would be the answer? Okay, Sarath is saying C. A Dongre is saying C. Rohan is saying C. S Teja is saying C. Very good. So I would like to tell you here something. Aniket, very good. Very good. Gaurav MP, very good. So I would like to tell you first of all, when we are talking about the steels, why we do heat treatment for the steels? Because we know that when we are talking about plain carbon steel and alloy steels have better properties than plain carbon steel. So if we are going to use alloy steel, they are costly. So if we want to use plain carbon steel because they are cheaper, so for them to improve property, we go for heat treatment processes. So my dear, if you talk about these heat treatment processes, which is nitriding, cyaniding and induction hardening, these are the surface hardening processes which are performed on the steel. But this process is generally not performed. Okay. So answer will be A, B and D. Sorry, answer will be C. C is the right answer. Moving to question number 5, guys. Moving to question number 5. Okay, Vamshi, I am looking on to that question. What is that? The ratio of number of atoms per unit cell to the size of the cell is roughly equal to both. अरे भाई इसका तो कोई C का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. C तो ऑप्शन का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है APF से. एपीएफ से सी का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. देयर इज नो मीनिंग ऑफ सी विद एपीएफ. ओके, when you don't know about the crystals, how the average number of atoms will come into picture in APF in that way. They are telling you about. Okay, fine. So this is in case of carburizing. Carbon is introduced to form a high carbon layer. At the surface, the carbon is introduced in the form of. So I would like to tell you here, carbon is not introduced in the form of free carbon. It is introduced in the form of cementite. Okay, so it is introduced in the form of cementite. So the answer will be C for this. Is it clear for everyone? So now, as Vamshi is having some doubt in the previous question, I am once again telling you, this is saying APF of aluminium is more than APF of molybdenum. APF is volume of average number of atoms in the unit cell, but a volume of unit cell. So what he is saying, the ratio of volume of the unit cell to the volume of the atoms per unit cell. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? When we are talking about, yes, he is saying volume of atoms per unit cell. So what is that? Volume of average number of atoms in a unit cell. Same is there now. Volume of atoms and volume of average number of atoms, same it is. There is no difference. So you can say the inverse of APF. Obviously that will be more for molybdenum. That is the option number B. Okay, now it is clear to you. So that's why answer is B for this. Okay, so now moving to the next question, question number 6. This is from industrial engineering. This is from industrial engineering. We have seen the questions from material science. Now this is from industrial engineering. This is BOM. I feel you know bill of materials. Structure is used in line balancing, master production schedule, MRP or line of balance. Dear, don't you know about MRP? MRP is material requirement planning. There we are going to say, like, let us say there is a product X which is made up of A and B. B is made up of C and D. D is made up of E and F. Then we are saying some parts of A are there with us. Let us say 20 of A are available, 30 of B are available, 10 of C are available, 40 of D are available, 10 of E are available, 5 of F are available. Then what you say, if I want to make 100 of X, how much will be the gross requirement? That kind of question have you not done? This is from MRP, material requirement planning. C would be the answer for this. Moving to question number 7. This is from, once again, industrial transportation problems. They are saying you that the following are not used for determining the IBFS, initial basic feasible solution. Is it northwest corner rule, least cost method, Vogel's approximation, or method of multipliers? So from this, which are not used, from this which are not used, from this which are not used, what would be the answer? Aniket, Akash, Amit, Rohan is saying C. Okay, very good. What about others? Akash, Amit, Aniket, Sarath, Vamshi, Gaurav MP saying B. Are Aniket, have you not studied industrial engineering? In industrial engineering, when you study transportation, then in the transportation problems, we are having something called as initial basic feasible solution, for which we study northwest corner method, we study least cost method, we study Vogel's approximation method. Okay, all these three we study, but there is nothing like method of multiplier. So answer will be C for this. Okay, answer will be C for this. But don't worry, industrial engineering generally is having lesser weightage in the paper. So that's why I also have kept with 3-4 questions only here. Economic order quantities at which of the cost carrying is minimum. equal to the cost of ordering. Cost of overstocking less than the cost of ordering. Yes. Tell me question number 8 the answer. When you get economic order quantity. So dear, you must be aware whenever we are going to make cost on the y-axis and quantities on the x-axis, then ordering cost is going to reduce if you increase the ordering quantity. Holding cost is like this, and when they are becoming equal, there we will be getting the minimum cost. So answer will be B for this. Okay, so these were the questions from industrial. B would be the right answer. They are asking when the cost of carrying is minimum or equal to the cost of ordering, or cost of overstocking, or less than the cost of ordering. I feel everybody remember when it becomes equals to cost of ordering. When we are having ordering cost is equals to holding cost, then we are going to get economic order quantities, and the formula for that also you have calculated as 2D C naught CH. Yes or no? Everybody remember now? B would be the right answer. What they are saying, economic order quantity is the quantity at which the cost of carrying is equals to the cost of ordering. Moving to question number 9, guys. This is from production. Now the questions are from production, TOM and MD. So today I have taken the subjects which we have not considered yesterday much. Yes, Vamshi, it is there, but today I don't have the question for this because already Richa ma'am have taken a session just before me. If you see, Richa ma'am have taken aptitude sessions, 2-3 sessions last week also. You can watch them. That's why I have not taken separate session, because Richa ma'am have taken. Okay, so there are available many ISRO aptitude sessions are available on this channel from Richa Gupta ma'am. You can see. Okay, this question is saying which of the following location principles are to be ensured during pin location of Cartesian coordinate system component. This is from the topic jigs and fixture. Principle of perpendicular planes, principle of maximum locating planes, principle of extreme positions. So my dear, whenever you are having a body, then my dear, there are some principle of locating are given. The first principle says when you are going to put the pins, those pins should be perpendicular to the surface. You can see they are perpendicular to the surface. First principle is there. Second principle is not correct because we always try to keep minimum number of pins. So B is wrong. Principle of extreme position is there, which says that we will be putting the pins at the extreme positions. So here 1 and 3 are correct. So C would be the right answer. We always try to keep minimum number of pins here. This was question number 9. Moving to question number 10, guys. This is from non-traditional machining methods. This is from non-traditional machining methods. This is from non-traditional machining methods. This is from non-traditional. Okay, tell me the answer for this. Here you can see left hand side we have the processes: ultrasonic machining, electrochemical machining, chemical machining, laser beam machining. Here we have ion displacement, vaporization, brittle fracturing. Yes. This is ablation. Ablation. What would be the answer? You know that ion displacement is happening in ECM. Brittle fracturing is happening in USM. Chemical machining is related to ablation, and laser beam machining is related to vaporization. So P with 3, P with 3, P with 3. So C and D cannot be the answer. Then you can see Q, Q with 1, Q with 1. A would be the right answer. Okay. So A would be the right answer. Very good, guys. Moving to the next question. Question number 11. This is from computer integrated manufacturing. So a CNC part programming, the following blocks of programming have been given. Metric units absolute mode of programming: N50, X100, Y100, N60, G03, X50, Y50, R50. The center of the circular arc is. the center of the circular arc is? Center for the circular arc is. Tell me the answer for this question, guys. They are saying x100, y100. This will be the point. X100, y100. And then x50, y50. X50, y50 will be coming somewhere here. Okay. And they are saying that G03. So you just need to decide what will be G03. And they are asking the center of the circular arc. Center of the circular arc. Radius is 50. This is 100, 100. This is 50, 50. What would be the answer, guys? Yes, C is the right answer. C 150 is going to be the right answer. So you can see this. This is one point. This is another point. So 150 is going to be the center. You are going to plot like this. Okay, is it clear? Why this? Because Z03 means anti-clockwise. So you are going from A to B like this. Everybody understood the center? Very good. So answer will be C for this. Moving to question number 12. Question number 12 is from metrology. Question number 12 is from metrology. Part dimension specification. A, B, C, D. They have given 4. The assembly is A, B, C, D. Dimension specification of the assembly is. So you can see they have given it like this. So 1.25, 0.75 will become 2, 2.6 and this is 3.3. So you just need to see what would be coming in plus minus. 0.001, 0.003, 0.002, 0.001. What would be the right answer here? Very simple question. Very, very simple question. Yes, if you will add all of these, you will be getting 3.3 plus minus 0.007. Answer will be A for this. Everybody can see it is just the game of addition, nothing more than that. It is just addition. Okay. Moving to the next question, guys. This was question number 12. Very good. Moving to the question number 13. So today we are having approximately 30 questions. 13 questions. This is from metal forming, sheet metal operations. Metal forming, sheet metal operations. Do like and share the session, guys. Do like and share the session. We are still left with more than 15 questions. In a blanking operation, find the shear to be provided. Find the shear to be provided. So you know F KT plus I is equals to F max into KT. So you need to find out the value of I. Okay, they have given the data required on the die such that force required for blanking operation is 2/3 of the maximum force. So F is 2/3 of the F max. Max when percentage penetration is 50%. So you can say K is penetration to thickness ratio 0.5. Put the value, get the answer. Yes, everybody, you would be getting I as T by 3. Answer would be A for this. Very good, Abhishek, Gaurav, Rohan, Dongre. Everybody is getting Teja, Krishna. Please tell me. Everybody is getting the same? Yes. Okay. Shall we move on? Very good, Vamshi. Very good, Kunal. Shall we move on? Everybody is okay with this? Fine. So guys, we are moving to the next question, question number 14. If you want, I can show you the value of, if you will be cancelling this will be coming 2 by 3, I feel so, है ना? So okay, f is 2 by 3 of f maximum. F maximum will get cancelled out. So that kt plus I, 2 kt plus I is equals to 3 kt. So likewise you can now solve very easily. It would be coming out to be t by 3. Okay, moving to next question, question number 14. The diameter of blank required for producing a cup of base diameter 30 mm, height 60 mm and flange diameter 50 mm with corner radius of 1 mm and trimming allowance of 3 mm. So guys, they have given corner radius of 1 mm and trimming allowance of 3 mm. Just try to do that. You know, they are going to make this. This is the flange. This is the internal dia. Corner radius and height. This is a very simple question. And you know, when you will be going for d1 by t, so d1 is 30 mm, t is 1 mm. It is coming out to be more than 20. It is coming out to be more than 20. So when it is coming out to be more than 20, you know, you can directly equate pi by 4 d square is the blank diameter, pi by 4 d1 square plus pi by 4 d2 square minus d1 square plus pi dh. So you know, from this d will be coming out to be what? D will be coming out to be what? It will be coming out to be d2 square plus 4 d1h. Solve it and get the answer. Solve it and get the answer. Yes. So when you will be getting, you need to add the trimming allowance also, na? So D final will be D plus 2 times of trimming allowance. So that will be the final answer. Is it clear? Solve it. So guys, you will get, dear, when d by t is more than 20, then there is no role of corner radius. Clear? I feel you would be getting 104.5 after trimming allowance. Rohan, 98.5 you would be getting here, I feel. When you will add the trimming allowance, it will become 104.5. Yes. So you would be getting some questions like that in the paper. Every question will not be very easy and without calculations. C would be the right answer for this. Very good. C would be the right answer for this. Very good. So moving to the next question, guys. Question number 15. During the piercing a hole of diameter 20 mm from a sheet of 3 mm thickness, the ultimate shear strength is 300 MPa. The size of die is. They have not mentioned the clearance. And when they don't mention the clearance, you can take 0.0032 t, just 0032 t square root of tau ultimate. This will give you the value of clearance, and then you know that die size is punch size plus 2 times of clearance. This is what you need to do. Very good question it is. This type of question can come in the exam. Solve it and get the answer. आज सारे क्वेश्चन आसान नहीं है, जान करके कुछ मुश्किल क्वेश्चन लाया हूं, ताकि अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन देखो तो डरना नहीं है, बस ऐसा लगे कि कैलकुलेशन ज्यादा है, उसको लास्ट में अटेम्प्ट करना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि ऐसे क्वेश्चन 4-5 तो रहते ही है डराने के लिए. दे आर पेपर टाइगर. Everybody know this empirical relation 0.0032 t times of tau ultimate का square root. This is the optimum clearance. They have not mentioned anything about clearance and they are asking you the size of die. There is no other way to calculate. So Vamshi Krishna have given the right answer. 20.33 will be the right answer. So when you will calculate clearance, as per my calculation, clearance will be coming 0.16627. So answer will be coming out to be 20.33. Very good Gaurav, very good Vamshi. Everybody please tell me, we are moving ahead. Next question. 50% questions are over. I am telling you total today we are having around 30 questions. Okay, so moving to the next question. And every question will make you learn something new. Just wait, I feel today smart board is hanging too much. So don't worry, but this is not in my hand, okay? So just wait. Just wait for a minute. Actually, this is getting hang, not responding. So guys, this is reopening, I feel. So today I may not be able to share you the PDF because all the questions annotation are deleted. But let us continue from the questions 16. Okay. So the questions are in front of you. This is question number 16. This is showing you some options: edging, upsetting, fullering and trimming. They are operations we do in the forging. So you need to match the following. Okay, what would be the right answer for this? This is question number 16, I feel. So don't worry, we are having total 30 questions. So I will share you the solutions in separate PDF because I have done all the solutions. But this PDF will be having questions from 16 to 30. Yes, very good. Sarath is saying A. Devesh is saying A. Dongre is saying A. What about others? Kunal. Very good, guys. Answer is A for this. Answer is A for this. So collecting the material at localized area is nothing but edging. Disturbing the material from center is nothing but fullering. Rod is deformed so that diameter is increased, removing the flash. This is trimming and this is upsetting. So answer will be A for this. Moving to the next question, question number 17. This is from metal cutting velocity triangle. This is from metal cutting velocity triangle. Everybody know the velocity triangle. This is the cutting velocity. This is the shear velocity and this is the chip velocity. So I am showing this with V and this with chip velocity, VC. And they are asking you the velocity of chip sliding along the shear plane. So this VS they are asking you. Okay, they are asking you the VS. So you need to see the relation between V and VS. You know, here the angle is phi. Here the angle is 90 minus alpha. Okay. So you just need to use the sine triangle, and here what would be the angle? You can find out, that is 180 minus 90 minus alpha minus phi. So based on that you can tell what would be the shear velocity formula. Some of you may also be remembering by mugging it up. What would be the answer? Question number 18 it is. Yes. B or C? Yes. What would be the answer? Dear, they are asking that the velocity of chip sliding along the shear plane. So when we are talking about this is the tool. So if they are asking the chip velocity along the tool, this is the chip flow velocity, which we show by VC or VF. And when he is asking along the shear plane, this is nothing but shear velocity. So Vs is the shear velocity of chip only. Okay. So the answer will be what? Yes, everybody is getting the answer to be C. Everybody is getting the answer to be C. Okay, so if you are going to write the velocity triangle, I am telling you Vs divided by sin 90 minus alpha will be cos alpha is equals to V divided by sin 180 minus 90 will become 90 and it will become 90 minus 5 plus alpha. Okay, and it is equals to chip velocity divided by sin phi. Okay, so I feel sin 90 minus 5 plus alpha will be cos phi plus alpha. So I feel Vs, when you will calculate from here, will be coming out to be what? Vs will be coming out to be what? V cos alpha divided by, actually they are showing Vc is the velocity of chip relative to the tool. So Vc is the chip velocity they are saying. So when we are talking about Vs, it will be coming out to be what? This is Vc by sin phi. So if you will go for that, you will be getting Vs as Vc cos alpha by sin phi. So answer will be coming out to be C. Moving to question number 19, guys. Taylor two-life equation. Taylor two-life equation. So guys, this is a very good question, and this type of question, if you see, ISRO is asking every year. I have taken a session on important topics for ISRO also, where you can see I have told that Taylor two-life equation is there almost in every paper. So that's why it is important. Using the Taylor two-life equation, Vt to the power n is constant. Calculate the percentage increase in the two-life when the speed will reduce to half. So you can say that V1 T1 to the power n, V2 T2 to the power n. So you can also write it as ki V2 is V1 by 2 and n is equals to 0.5. You will be able to find out the T2. Then what is the percentage increase? It is T2 minus T1 by T1 into 100. Solve it and get the answer. Yes, everybody is getting 300%. Solve it. When you will be solving it, V1 into T1 to the power 0.5. V2 is V1 by 2. T2 to the power 0.5. V1 cancel out. So you can say T2 is 2 times of T1, and if you are going to square it, it will become 1. क्योंकि 0.5 का square, 2 का square, T1 की power 1. So you would be getting 4 times of T1. So here you would be getting the answer as 300%. A would be the right answer. Sneha Sheesh, mathematics marathons would be starting from the next week, and you will get the schedule on Monday. On Monday you will get the schedule for the same. Moving to question number 20, this is from welding. During gas welding of steel using oxyacetylene neutral flame, the acetylene consumed is 10 liters, then the total oxygen consumption is. They are saying consumption from the cylinder during gas welding of steel using oxyacetylene neutral flame. Yes, what would be the answer? For neutral flame, for neutral flame, first of all I would like to tell you that for 1 mole of acetylene we require 2.5 moles of oxygen. This is the requirement. And when we are going to have the neutral flame, then for 1 mole we are taking 1 mole from the cylinder. For oxidizing flame, for 1 mole we are getting more than 1 mole. For carburizing flame, for 1 mole we are taking less than 1 mole. So they are saying neutral flame. So 1 mole will be 1 mole for 1 mole will be taken from cylinder, rest will be coming from atmosphere. So answer will be 10. For 10 liter will be going from the cylinder. Okay, so total oxygen consumption actually it is from the cylinder only, na? Because rest will be going from the atmosphere. So answer will be 10 liters. Everybody got it? Very good, Mukesh. Moving to the next question, 21. This is about the function of flux. This is about the function of flux. So today major questions are from production. Okay, now term questions will also be coming. So what would be the answer for this? Question number 21. We are having 9 more questions in this session. Tell me the answer for this. During welding process, oxidation of plates will take place at high temperature, which can be avoided by ACHF, DCRP, flux or filler material. You know the function of flux. Flux is going to perform this function. It is going to avoid the oxidation of the plates. It is going to provide the weld bead material. It is also going to provide the flame concentration. Okay. So moving to the question number 22nd. Solidification time of a casting will be more if thermal diffusivity of the molding sand is more, specific heat of the molten metal and sand are low, thermal conductivity of molding sand is less, or none of the above. What would be the answer for this? So guys, when we are talking about solidification time of the casting will be more, you know that from the casting heat is going to whom? Heat is going to sand and then to the atmosphere. So if thermal conductivity of molding sand is going to be less, then my dear, solidification time of a casting will be more, because it will not be able to lose the heat fastly. So that is why answer for this is going to be C. It is a very good question, can directly come in ISRO, you will see that. Moving to question number 23rd. Okay, now I am going little bit slower, don't worry. This is the theory of machines question. 7 more questions after this from Tom and MD. Praveen, I did not get what you want to say. Okay, Atullah is saying C, Aniket is saying C. So you can see for good vibration isolation, the natural frequency omega n of the isolation is chosen as. So I feel everybody know, whenever we are talking about vibration isolation curves, you know that they are coming like this. They are coming like this now. So this value is √2 and this value is 0. And we know after this only it is going to be effective. So if you say omega by omega n, this ratio is R and this should be more than √2. So omega should be more than √2 times of omega n. But they are asking about omega n. So omega n should be less than omega by √2. So I feel there is one value which is less than that. So this is just opposite to what you were thinking. Answer will be B for this. Can you feel it? The mistake you have done here? Can you feel it, the mistake you have done here? Yes, Nikhil. Yes, Atullah. Yes, Karan. Yes, Kunal. Yes, Amit. Devesh. Yes. Fine. So answer will be B for that. Okay. Everybody got it? This type of mistakes are very common in exam. Moving to question number 24. This is from gyroscope. So guys, this is saying the rotor of a ship rotates in clockwise direction when viewed from the stern. Okay, stern means this is the ship, front end is bow, this is stern. So you are watching from stern, the ship takes a left turn, the effect of gyroscopic couple acting on it will be. So you can see, first of all, they are saying ship rotates in clockwise direction. When I am watching from here, clockwise means this. This is the direction of omega. Okay, and this is the direction of omega, and they are saying that ship is going to take the left turn. The left turn of ship will be this. So it is going to be like this. 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 So this is going to be the direction of precision. This will be the reactive couple. It will be coming like this. So it is going to raise the bow and lower the stern. So answer will be A for this. Clear for everyone? Question number 24 is over. Moving to the next 6 questions. I feel everybody is clear about the direction. If anybody have any doubt, you can watch it. Clockwise, this will be the direction. Then it is going to take left turn, means this. This is active, this is reactive. It will be the answer A. Moving to next question. Question number 25, guys. Question number 25. Okay, leave this question, some data is missing. This is question number next, whatever. So we have 5 more questions, don't worry. In a centrifugal governor, the controlling force is observed to be 14 Newton when the radius of rotation is 2 centimeter and 38 Newton when the radius of rotation is 6 centimeter. The governor is. So you can see they are saying F is equals to AR plus B. Find out the value of A and B, and then you will be able to say which type of governor it is. I would like to say this is a spring controlled governor. Spring controlled centrifugal governor. Okay. When you will be finding out the value of A and B, what you are getting? Are you getting? You will put the value 14 Newton AR plus B. 14 Newton, radius of rotation is 2 centimeter. So 14 is 2A plus B. 38 is 6A plus B. From here you will be getting the value of A and B. And I feel the equation will be coming out to be 6R plus 2. It means the answer is going to be what? This is AR plus B, this is AR, this is AR minus B. So you know that we will be making a speed line for that. For the checking purpose, let us make a speed line. Speed line is going up. Speed line is up and controlling force line is down. So answer will be, it is going to be an unstable governor. B should be the answer. Okay, so TPM, why you have first given right answer then going to wrong answer? Confidence was not there. Answer will be, it is a unstable governor. So guys, sorry, today some problems with smartboard are coming. It is hanging again and again. Sorry for that. And I would like to tell you, from tomorrow you are going to get the virtual Kelsey series. So don't worry about that. You are going to learn the tricks for the virtual Kelsey for gate. Okay. So answer will be B for this. Okay, answer will be B for this. So once again it is hanging. Sorry for the inconvenience. So guys, once again it is getting hanged. So let us do one thing. We are left with 3-4 questions. So I am sharing this complete PDF with you, and those 3-4 questions answer because I have already solved for you. So I am sharing the solution with you. Okay, I already solved for you. So I will share you this solution. Okay. Praveen, it is not going to be like difficult and all. I would like to say we need to do all the types of questions actually. because 5, 6 question or up to 8, 10 question you can get a good level. That ISRO every time do. That's why you will see marks are never coming like 80-90% type of thing. Okay, so I'm leaving the session here. There is some problem with the smart board. I'm sharing the PDF, don't worry, and the solution in the separate. Okay, so goodbye for this particular video, and we will meet for virtual Kelsey from tomorrow. Goodbye.